Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. How to download HP LaserJet M126a driver. So search as it is in Google search box. To first click to right click new tab. Then guys, by default detect your operating system is Windows 10. So if you have a different operating system, so click to choose different OS, and here Windows 11. This is my Windows 10. You have operating system change to Linux, Mac and another, so you can change it. Okay, then click to update. Then guys, open all. So this is serial full software with driver, and this is serial PCL and printer driver. So I recommend you download this one, for this is latest. Click to download and please wait to few minutes. Download and then we'll install it. Okay, then guys, single click to open. Now this is extracting data to your system. Then guys, click to yes. Now this is installer, launch installer copyright 23 HP. Yes, scanner recommended update, only scanner, printer driver, toolbox, all are available. So select this to next. Then I have received the agreement. Then guys, click to again next. So directly connected to computer by USB. So connect to printer your system by USB. Okay, and if you connect to network, so select this one, then click to next, like this connect, and when you connect automatically detect, and then click to installations. Here automatically comes the installation tab, then complete, and then restart your printer and your system both. Okay, thank you.